Hey, how's it going, Sean? Orlando Gonzalez. I spoke with Tammy on the phone earlier today, and she's the one that gave me your information. So I appreciate you clicking on this video. In this video, man, I simply just want to show you three things, tips and tricks that you guys can implement yourself, and to get you guys more customers through the door. Now, you're probably asking why, right? Why would I be sending you guys a video? I've kind of just seen, and being a business owner myself, I've seen that it's just there's not enough time in the day to come in here, do the due diligence, and do the research on the internet and see how it really benefits the growth of a business. And a lot of the time, even when we go out to outsource this, we hesitate because we don't know who the expert is and who isn't. Everybody kind of claims to be the expert, and I've seen that by giving a video like this, showing you guys tips and tricks that you guys can implement, as resulted in some companies coming back and saying, "Hey, you know what, Orlando, we'd love to work with you." Even though, yes, there are some companies that are still going to go out and do it themselves, and that's absolutely fine with me. Um, so if you believe that I have plenty of tricks up my sleeve and that I can really benefit your company, just send me a message and we'll chat. Or like I said, if you want to use this yourself, you can absolutely do that. There's no issue with that. All I ask is for a review on how I did on the video. So Sean, let's just get right into it. The three things are content, citation, and backlinks. Those will be the most important things that Google is going to come in here and look at when they come in here to rank your website. Now, with content, like they say, content is king, and they want to see plenty of it. Google and the average website that's on that first page that you search up, they have approximately 1,500 to 2,000 words on that home page. Now, if we come in here and grab everything that you have that I'm highlighting here is going to be considered content. If we come in here, grab all of it, and we come in here to this word count, you can see that it is, let's see, 571 words. So that's not bad. But with you guys being an HVAC company and do plumbing, that shouldn't be any bit of a problem. You guys should have plenty of content to write up with all of the plumbing work that you guys do, the different services that you guys provide with that, and then with all of the HVAC work with furnaces, AC changeouts, AC add-ons, furnace changeouts. I don't know what the extent of your services is, but you guys have come in here, like you guys say here, your products, your plumbing, and your AC repair. Just write up a little bit more on the content. They want to see plenty of it because the more content that you have, the more of an expert you appear to the customer, and you obviously are an expert in your field, and you want to have that impression on your customers when they come in here and look at this. Now, when you come in here and add all of this, and this is going to be including pictures and videos. So if we come in here, and I really like this setup anyways, it's really clean and crisp and clean lines all throughout, really easy on the eyes. But if we come in here and we look at some, let's see if these are, so these are actually links. If we come in here and look at some of these videos, let's see if we can save this. So there's actually a link from a video. Let's see, copy. So some of these aren't going to let me, but the videos that you guys do have direct from here. So let's see if I can save link as. So this is just going to say watch. So you want to save all these links, videos, and pictures as a certain keyword or key phrase. And a keyword or key phrase would be something like this: is Mesa, Arizona AC repair. And this key phrase alone is getting 320 searches every single month. So by you guys not being on this whole first page, because I'm really missing out on a lot of potential clients that you guys could be getting. Now, you want to come in here. So if we come in here, grab this keyword, and we try to find this on this home page, you're going to see that you're not going to see this anywhere on this home page. So when you write up that new content for your cooling, heating, and plumbing, and all your products, you want to add this key phrase in there a couple times in there, as well as other keywords or key phrases that you want to integrate into there to get make it easier for your customers to find you. Second thing is citation. So there's going to be this area right here, Google My Business or Google Map Pack. All a citation is the name of your company, the address, and the phone number. Now, you want to get that information, your citation, and as many directories as possible. So as you see, these guys are out here in this top three. So they have the most citations out of all your competitors. Um, the directories, some examples of these directories would be like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yahoo, local Yahoo, Yelp, let's see, Yellow Page. There's a couple of other ones that I off the top of my head, but those are all examples that you can go out there and get. Now, what's really important when matching up with your competitors, you want to come in here and grab. So you see all these guys, Honest Air, Arizona Dukes Air, of Air, Sure Temp. All of these guys have a lot of citation, and obviously, if these citations are good enough for them, they're going to be good enough for you. So you want to do like a copycat, grab what they have and implement them onto your site. So I'll come in here and I'll show you this tool that I have here. So this is called Ahrefs. It's a great tool to kind of show you exactly where your website's at, what's working for you guys, and what's not. So you can see here that you guys have 538 backlinks with 146 keywords getting found on there, only getting you 21 visits every single month. Now, what you want to do in here, and I chose Penguin Air. They're one of the bigger competition throughout that entire area, uh, in those towns. Um, so you can come in here and you can see that they have over 2,000 backlinks and are getting found for close to 9,000 keywords. So yes, it's going to take a while to get up to that point, but it is very doable, especially with you guys doing so much different stuff. You guys can come in here and day by day, month by month, kind of accumulate all these backlinks. But you want to come in here, see what the competitors have, and with Ahrefs, it is a couple $100 a month, but there's plenty of sites out there that can the backlink checkers, citation checkers, keyword checks, all those you can go out there and grab. You don't necessarily have to grab this one, but you want to go in there, grab the competitors. And I just chose Penguin just so we can do a quick comparison. But you want to grab these citation and backlinks that they have going into their website, grab them and implement them into yours. And now with some of them, you might have to pay for them. Others you might have to just simply sign up. Others you may have to talk to the owner of their website. They just differ depending on the amount of power or link juice that they have on their website. Now, if we come in here to this third area, this organic search, this is where the backlinks are going to come in here. And you want to think of backlinks like a popularity contest. Google is just a huge popularity contest. They want to see as many uh, websites linking back to your homepage saying you are a trustworthy site, you are a trustworthy HVAC company in Arizona. So with that, you really want to take into consideration backlinks and citations aren't built equal. And by that, I mean, so I'll give you an example. You don't want to go in there, grab a back or a link from a Pizza Hut or some type of restaurant. Say you guys do a job out there, maybe you guys do maintenance for a restaurant, and they guys give you guys a good review. They give you a link to back to your page, but Google's going to see that, and it's not a relatable field. It's not relatable to your field, so they're not going to take that and give you as much power as per se if you went out and got a link from an adjacent HVAC company or a subcontractor or contractors that you guys have worked in the past, or like I said, other HVAC companies, maybe not in Arizona, but adjacent that you guys know throughout. That's going to link back to your page, giving you guys much more power, and is going to give you guys more rank, and is going to get you up in this first page. So the quick recap: content 1,500 words to 2,000 words, not going to be a huge issue. Write up as much content as possible. Just kind of really thoroughly explain the services that you guys provide as a company. Add this keyword phrase in there a couple times that has a high volume. So you want to integrate that in there a couple times. Maybe add your pictures and rename them this keyword phrase. That's really going to help you out when it comes into the search. If you really want to get into the citation area, to this Google Map Pack where a lot of your searches are going to come in and your clicks are going to come in, you want to grab the competition, not only Penguins Air, but you want to grab Honest Air, Arizona Dukes of Air. You want to grab the citations that they got, but don't just stop there. Grab what they have and then continuously add on after that, so you can really blow them out of the water and beat your competition out. Um, with that, that kind of wraps it up, Sean. You guys can do this yourself. The faster, I would just simply, the faster that you begin to do this process, the faster that you're going to start seeing that ranking continuously to climb. You're going to see yourself in those top three pages on Google, and the more that you do it, you're going to start seeing yourself climb to that first page. Um, if not, man, if you want to save yourself the headache and the time, give me a call, 719-924-7601. I look forward to speaking with you again, Sean. Have a good one.